Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava without an oven. This delightful dessert is incredibly simple, requiring just 3 main ingredients and absolutely no baking. We will create a healthy, sweet treat that captures the essence of baklava flavors, perfect for a quick indulgence or a special occasion. Get ready to enjoy a unique twist on a classic, made effortlessly in your kitchen. First, let's prepare our core ingredients. You will need about 1 1/4 cups of shelled pistachios, along with 10 to 15 medjool dates, or 15 regular dates. To infuse that classic aroma, add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Place all these ingredients into a food processor and blend for approximately 5 minutes until the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth and holds together like a soft dough. Once your mixture is ready, take it out of the food processor and gently squeeze it together with your hands until it firmly holds its shape. Next, place this mixture onto a large sheet of cling film. Fold the cling film over the mixture and begin to roll and shape it into a long, uniform log. Continue rolling until you achieve your desired thickness, ensuring it is compact and smooth. Finally, carefully unwrap the cling film from your perfectly shaped baklava roll. Using a sharp knife, slice the roll into individual pieces, each about 3 centimeters in length. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, sprinkle some finely crushed pistachios on top of each piece. Your delicious, healthy, and completely no-bake baklava is now ready to be enjoyed. It's a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.